Under pressure for her inaction in the 4,000 crore chit case, West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is all set to table a new bill to protect investors from sham companies. But even before the bill could be presented in the Assembly, a massive political slugfest has broken out, with the left questioning the retrospective effect of the bill.
She's been facing the flack over inaction in Chitgate. Her MP is facing serious charges for alleged involvement in the 4,000 crore rupees scam. Even her nephew's name has been dragged into the Ponzi scheme by the left. As more skeletons tumble out of the TMC's closet, Mamata Banerjee government readies to table a new bill to protect the interest of investors in the special session of Bengal Assembly. While the Trinamool assures the bill will have more teeth to deter sham companies, the left raising serious questions over the retrospective effect of the bill.
আজকে পশ্চিম বাংলায় যে জটিলতার সৃষ্টি হয়েছে রাজনীতিতে, আজ পশ্চিম বাংলা যে দুর্যোগের মধ্যে পড়েছে, পশ্চিম বাংলার অর্থনীতি পিছিয়ে যাচ্ছে.
Stepping up the attack on the ruling party in Bengal, senior CPM leader Gautam Dev launching a direct attack on the West Bengal Chief Minister.
He's running the financial firm whose details are yet to be known. He has started business already in 2 years' time. He has acquired nearly 200 to 300 crores of worth of property. How he can manage such things, let him explain.
Though Abhishek Banerjee has not come on record to clear the air, the Trinamool top leadership has confirmed that Mamata's nephew will drag Gautam Dev to court.
ইতিমধ্যেই খবর নিয়েছি অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তার উকিল মারফত, আইনজীবী মারফত মানহানির মামলা দায়ের করেছেন.
Meanwhile, the Trinamool MP in question has denied all charges.
I am confident that I am ready to face any probe, and the probe ultimately will give me clean sheet. I am confident and I am ready to face any probe.
Ghosh continues to say that he is completely innocent, that the allegations against him are baseless, and that in fact he was only a salaried employee who had no authority to sign checks and had no control over the finances or accounting of the Sharoda Group.
Even before the new bill to protect investors has been tabled, a massive political debate has erupted. But will the new measures by Mamata's government be enough to deter such sham firms from leaving investors in the lurch? Bureau Report, Times Now.